晚上9點，香港電台最新一節風暴消息。香港天文台發出最新熱帶氣旋警報，8號東北烈風或暴風信號喺下午8點40分發出，取代8號西北烈風或暴風信號，表示本港吹東北風，平均風速每小時63公里或以上。喺晚上9點，熱帶風暴尼格集結喺香港天文台之東南偏南約90公里，即係北緯21.6度、東經114.6度附近，預料向西北移動，時速約10公里，靠近珠江口一帶。喺過去1-2小時，與尼格相關嘅對流有所減弱，但其中心附近仍有烈風。按照現時預測，隨住尼格接近珠江口一帶，今晚至明早初時，本港仍有機會出現烈風。同時，與尼格相關嘅狂風驟雨會影響本港。預料8號烈風或暴風信號會維持至明日上午2時。預料尼格會逐漸減弱。當尼格減弱為一個熱帶低氣壓，或本港嘅風力顯著緩和時，天文台會改發較低嘅熱帶氣旋警告信號。海面有非常大浪及湧浪，市民應遠離岸邊及停止所有水上活動。喺過去1小時，橫瀾島、大老山及長洲分別錄得嘅最高持續風速為每小時72、70及48公里，最高陣風分別為每小時96、100及72公里。有關最新天氣情況，請留意香港電台喺15分、30分、45分及踏正嘅風暴消息。
9 o'clock in the evening, Hong Kong Observatory's latest typhoon update. Here is the latest tropical cyclone warning bulletin issued by the Hong Kong Observatory. The number 8 northeast gale or storm signal was issued at 8:40 p.m. It replaces the number 8 northwest gale or storm signal. This means that winds with mean speeds of 63 km per hour or more are expected from the northeast quarter. At 9 p.m., tropical storm Nalgae was centered about 90 km south-southeast of Hong Kong Observatory, which is near 21.6 degrees north, 114.6 degrees east, and is forecast to move northwest at about 10 km per hour, edging closer to the vicinity of the Pearl River estuary. In the past couple of hours, convections associated with Nalgae have weakened, but there were still gales close to its center. According to the present forecast, as Nalgae edging closer to the vicinity of the Pearl River estuary, there would still be gales in Hong Kong tonight, and at first tomorrow morning. Meanwhile, the squally showers associated with Nalgae will affect Hong Kong. The number 8 gale or storm signal will remain in force until 2 a.m. tomorrow morning. Nalgae will weaken further. When Nalgae weakens into a tropical depression or local wind subsides significantly, the observatory will issue a lower tropical cyclone warning signal. Seas are very rough with swells. Members of the public are advised to stay away from the shoreline and not to engage in water sports. In the past hour, the maximum sustained winds recorded at Waglan Island, Tate's Cairn and Choon Show were 72, 70 and 48 km per hour, with maximum gusts 96, 100 and 72 km per hour respectively. Please listen to Radio Television Hong Kong on every hours at 15, 30, 45 and o'clock for the latest weather information broadcast. That's all for the typhoon update.
呢一節風暴消息報道完畢。